NPP wa Ghana abakose mu a one or you corrupt on Sunday you soon not gonna wo fam aye tete yehunu John Mahama the spokesperson here onyem no wakura
ho dan CD
oh masa me ho dan chese me ba CD o me fa akura ne ma
ye frɛ wo mrenu ma be wo dan CD
e wo mrenu
ma. All right, now I want to show this to Ghana for. I am a registered member of the NPP Minjaye. I am say me who be a NPP 4 year. And I am one of you guys. I am one of you. And the only difference between me and say when I insult you, it hurts you people. Say Kevin Taylor is insulting. Yeah, I am still one of you. And anytime my NPP be Jimmy I bet you no. And I Kevin Taylor moka say tia mo nipa ne me. Me minje party be a card wa Ghana da wo. Me nko party be a constituency meeting da a NPP nko. Me party number ni AS1738100000024K. Me party number no. Inti me obi anjina baby enka say oh Padmo JHS oboase na me register eh. Inti me obi anjina 0244171 me number no. Me dues number no. Inti na me yase me tese NPP ni bi Jimmy ni bi Jimmy ni akwache na. Omse na Kevin Taylor kasa ye no na Kevin Taylor di atam me a part of you. Into osem kasa mu nipa na no ye na enua na Kevin Taylor di atam na da na ya nche no. Na ade na mo aban mu no mo anche me because ye nyina ye party ba ko mba. Sibia Bawumia busuafo nyina ye NDC fo no. Me so me NPP ni and me the evidence atrew. Where in Ghana no biko musamete NDC regional office meeting ekuta NDC card. Has anybody seen me with NDC card before? Me oboase ni akora meje me card oboase. Enti mo amoto na NPP ni biko Jimia mo si han na Kevin Taylor na odi atam me yam me ka mo ho. Na me di ani anka say aban atam because ye Jimmy. Enti me di mo ye di ehun atam no and there's some huni pa ko di NDC ni atam na NDC for no ebia aban ema emra ni edwuma menka say Kevin Taylor me yeden. You people cannot sack me. I am part. Enti mo kika say na me ya. I am here because I am part of you. I am an NPP person. Me ngira baby ada enka say me nya NPP ni abra maji me di usedi no. I go for way. Abra maji mi dues edi mo amametua dues amaji sika de di no me ekọ me so na me kase menye NPP ni na hwan na betua dues na mame eti NPP ni me nya ne enja ochra but I want you people to understand I am one of you. Into when you people go stand on TV to obi Jimmy NPP na aban so mu na aban busa the questions are I nana Kevin Taylor no o dia me di watam mi busa o wa wo to na o ye Kevin Taylor di atam me di watam ma fro me di watam. Me MPP ni mapa. MP mapa. Inti memo bench da baby. Me pegare ni a obeba beka se NDC ko Kevin Taylor ko constituency ko NDC card. Me menje NDC card da. And I menje NDC card da. And I men join NDC da. Me MPP ni. It is a me di yemiamen ko fo atam na hawa na wadwene oso so kwa di NDC fo atam na aban so mu a men ka say Kevin Taylor ka say me nua na o ka ye ho no because me kam ho me MPP ni and nobody can sack me. They also me NDC no onko go inti mumu bi ni mu agimi mu ye nipa bi anka ka say ye nua no di atam me ye ko opposition adenti na ye ntena se endwene adekodi enti ama ye nua Kevin ejina ye so am ye ko opposition. Na mu Jimmy na emra achemwa was Kevin Taylor na Kevin Taylor and there be who video bi ana guy your friend no Salinko ana meboa na me na Facebook na ko hui I Kevin Taylor na we di atam Salinko mindi na atam da wo Salinko ne maame mindi ne maame atam da Salinko mi hu no physical me hu ne da ba onim se me hu ne da ena me hwe na me say abrantie uni asem bi aka na Kevin Taylor ena oni kwase bi oni na nam New York say police straight dog den and I'm say now Salinko asema wo king. But you see the most interesting thing is me kai in February me ba Ghana in February I was in Ghana. In fact NPP what power me ba Ghana 4 times. Me ba Ghana 4 times. Time my NPP what power I was in Ghana 4 times. But I don't say idea unim we Jimmy so we Jimmy nti o kasa ba heart me I don't respond. In February, me ba Ghana. Even time I walk power me ba Ghana. Na momo bodam. Na because some madam will be a GEPA, Ghana Export Promotion Authority. I have a friend there. So I had a meeting around town and I'm saying me faho. Into me call on your mom got a reception. Me madam for no penny kakrapa or GEPA. My classmate, my good friend, my childhood friend. So I went to sit at a reception at Secretary said Tenase. Where Kevin Taylor where when Tenase. Man can be na Tenase. Metewa na Salinko betena menjen. The same reception GEPA February. Salinko na ojina ho. Eka se Kevin Taylor did atem and I did Salinko na 9 mienu. Ede Ena. Beteren chan onim ni pampo na nete wo. Inti me wahana receptionist say oh secretary say oh boss is ready to see you and I'm go inside. Inti me ko na madam for I'm so what you guys are doing here is very good. You are promoting businesses, Ghanaian businesses, moving it outside the country, bringing Ghanaian products out of the inti I want am catch madam say oh mete ho no Abronye bia I say me hu no TV so the friend is Salinko. Ote ho no mo and I say oh yes Salinko say oh product bia or dey be kire GEPA. Na GEPA for mo na now export it. Na gari o say then gari ni sugar ya mixing in katia something like that. And I'm catching madam say it is very important say such people no you help them because these are young people in Ghana even though but they want to be part of the industry driving a local economy no. So in February minimum Salinko no buy na nipa be me nsatini me and I'm catching madam so omo friend mra na omo hwe ntem na omo nti de obeka and I'm jana hokoe Salinko for 8 years sa ne gari bi na oye usade na opeso export and they Akufo-Addo wentumi export it wentumi anko GEPA obi ampo ama ne kwan ma ne wura GEPA under NPP Salinko me Kevin Taylor ya na metena hagina NPP so obi di nkwa so am se odi nkwase asem obi agimi am se wagimi ena me di bie Ghana fo ni ena NDC fo yo modwuma beka ho ena aban sesa ma wo ende Salinko utumi kotena GEPA emia ma ko rasi office kwasea o se mimi di atem na nka nya atani am di ya nka wo abote se nka wo sa wo company o se de nka obetumi pa kotena GEPA say yentie because of people like us intina aban sesa ena mo atesemo and the mutumi ko abroche se me ye gari ton nyoma na ye nimu no mo sa nkwasiafo na nam Ghana ho no wo anya me enya NDC aban e ba ya nka wo Salinko NPP for ka mo de wo ye adwe anase mo de wo ye che na mato oboduane so for 8 years you could not for once pick anything you are holding to any ministry for them to help you for 8 years by NDC ba no a whole CEO gave you opportunity to come and sit in his office you to speak say ya for your cran to so man fa me yire ne me ma enemy me freedom and to so anka kwase ate say wa wo nan say muchi adan ka wo benya opportunity to try and even export your things mo kasa jimi mu munya mic na blogger jimi fu bi ka kire say kasape na wo kasa blogger jimi ni bi me chow month no I was there obeto me GEPA na me hwe wenim wo ho mobo I say kura why abortion men am catch see was more opportunity to sit and tell your story kwasi ampe ibi akotwe mic si wenim Jimmy for blogger bin to obeka Kevin Taylor sam do you know the work people like us did for this country to get to where it is for you somebody like you to be able to move up and down and say I have a business I want to promote it. You are a foolish guy. There are so many people sitting on social media, they don't know we help them. There are so many people on social media. They tell us nonsense. But you see, we have been working behind the scenes for long. And people like you, because your boy Jimmy Fona, your Jimmy Foni be more count. If you don't like my style, don't watch me. Let me show you this. Sa Acheampong you Abronye. Wakoka nsema aban asonimu. Oye original chairman. Oye original chairman. Sa Abronye we onoma peteshwia no akotena TV so. Na kwasia we eti TV so keka nsem. Na me TV so ke kansem a ade ne besin de mo MPP na mo tim no munya obi amfa me nkogina court se munya mwa we a journalist now to TV so now and Kevin Taylor and odi ohini atem and I say ohini na me di na atem na de no amfa me nkogina court se me di na atem me tiamra obi a me kan ho asem MPP mu bia odwen se embra ekire se o se otumi ko gina court echimitum no aden na monkofo nkwasiafo na mo ho figu MPP mu no miame MPP no aden ti na monko court nka se abrantie we akase etwime enti ohene kro no eni panyini kro na wo Ghana o se me kan asem na onye ebone on aden na on sign it court na esi wo no yenye phone no enya phone no e bebi a ye di asem. And for you to even sit on TV and say, nah, you see, it attempt me, I am a grown-ass man. Me too, kwa na mu bebre mu too kwa kwasi afo. Abroche na abafo na Ghana ne mwa afo na Jimmy 47 and the Facebook aba na obi ekasebi. Assembly me kan wo TV so ni Facebook bia I still stand by it because I have the facts to back it. Kwasi awe make statement against Ghana by not our facts. That's the question. He was making allegations. Yes, bra court ne be ya no also be town. Where Jimmy? So who say me tiamra ne anchi me ahwe so ya tiamra ye nchiwa. Adana mo Jimmy sa. You see, and mumu mu bi, mumu MPP fo ni bi, mukodi nkwasi asem ne ye chim say na Kevin Taylor na me. Na me ye medwuma. And a judge bi say me bumra. And also saying or the case atome so. Ede na me yire me mamionu ne me yire me twa business every America ebetena Ghana 1 month me the one lawyer come ho na me fa 2 lawyers for Ghana and na me the wura Supreme Court and na me coach the court to say with all due respect to the court I have a case. I didn't sit in America and say obi ntina Ghana ndi ma asema mi. I had to fly to Ghana. Business with me myself and my almost $30,000. My expenses were Ghana and Kahu to come to the Supreme Court. To come to the Supreme Court, to stand before the court and respectfully tell the court I have appeared before the court with my honorable lawyer for us to make a case that Samrana judge in a share, Sebio, Yasio was some ka, na Emrana judge in a share, Nikwemu, and my judge eloquently made his case. Kwasia, na motiti Facebook. Na mure fi mu ho se de o ye no emra ho na judge no ede me call court no say court engina me so no ade na manga se me nko court frame no se me call ye court frame no I went to the court. I went with my lawyer. Have you asked me how much I paid to get my lawyer to Ghana and 2 lawyers here? Have you asked me? No. It was here we better social media ended his likes. Na omu Jimmy no minimum brand say na Kevin Taylor can say odo ye bema kan ene nende akwa na no sabotoi otwiri. This is a whole regional chairman. Wait, or your regional chairman odi party enim a whole Bono regional chairman. Munyan kwasiafo. Your answer to foolishness way party BI and answer for the DNM no tonight and come release statement said this man has been suspended. And I said something. Me say in tough one be no more MPP muno. You are trying too much to prove yourself. So muni answer MPP nimu. But the selfish account for a woman ye whom say mumu bi mu Jimmy o e MPP nimu. Inti me who in tough one be no more MPP say Salam Mustafa and sa Salaka or ne me say mumu Jimmy. Because yani can for na ye MP before na woman no. With all due respect, monta for the binam what party who some Jimmy. Yes. Because so who tell me with all due respect na or your MPP near or person proven one track can for what party them. It is not it. You cannot prove yourself to us. Because MPP as a political party no yani munta for yani MPP for no ye munta for. Enti so be to party no o Jimmy na mo beka chance hey we are regional chairman. I'm sorry. We are regional chairman. Ma akora bi kura nya saa de we na wo tia no. You get it? Ma akora bi nye na wo regional chairman but na radio so na rebuke akora no. Na beka say yen kasa saa. I run my independent platform. Nobody has paid me in Ghana. No CEO in Ghana can pay me a Kobedu Taylor. Nobody. I run my independent platform. I decide what to say. So if you think I have said something against you in Ghana, or you're Hinio, or you're Sofu, or you're a politician, the court is there. Why don't you go there? When Chebafo said I should come to court, didn't I go to court? I went to court. I'm not a coward. I entered the Supreme Court. I made my case respectfully to the court. Inti mudidi TV suna Jimmy no. Send a mooding kwa some social media. Udi party denim na Jimmy say na Kevin Taylor ye na me say kosuna ye. Si MPP sanka muni munyansa anka na dwi yanka suspend ya kwa we. Because this is a whole regional chairman. Abronye. Akwa we TV so na Jimmy. Kwa hwe owusu bempa Ernest owusu bempa. Ne hu fin bi. Awonu so TV so Jimmy. This is a political party leadership. Have they spoken about this? No. Kevin Taylor. And I'm saying, na mo Jimmy ana. Introduce sauka Kevin Taylor be ye na. Ye jana man ko na obi betimi atumana. Nobody in Ghana can arrest me because me, I have not offended anybody. I have not committed any crime in Ghana. Whatever was there, I have come to, at the end of the day, contest it. And to me, I can work anywhere in Ghana. Baby, I'm a Konebia want to me ko Kevin Taylor ba Ghana no. Yeah. It's just an advice. MPP no more Jimmy. There's no discipline in the party. There's no leadership. The people leading the party no more Jimmy. And you see, say the so-called also discussing this kind of conversation about MPP no. Be so emotionally attached to the party. At this point, party ni Jimmy no mu the party ni Jimmy nechi. Into a whole regional chairman to radio so TV so Jimmy say. Na enye Jimmy ne me akani ya asantini enanka unim nyansa de na also woka. Kasi ye pese party we eya kono biem. If we want people to respect us as a political party, this is a regional chairman. He needs to be suspended. He needs to be kicked out of the party. Now, there is a political party and there. Nipom di chile eya campaign momo. Ebi I say frumponko. Ubo wana huna I say 5 kg baga ya bonim film. Na omu tetu form to say mankin. Nipemu mankin bi intentia nipemu mankin and omo ye campaign ma party. This is a party. This is not a zoo. And if I'm going to be your standard and I'm a party negu, because the NDC sitting there, they know I am a full-blood member of the NPP. And Semishia NDC near Onimsa Kevin Taylor MPP ni. So he sees me as an MPP. What are you, the MPP, going to do for me to stop harassing you people because you are foolish? Mwe Jimmy, you need to start reasoning up. I am a full-blown MPP member. Metia me dues me AGD ewo mojenim. The only difference between me and one is say I am intelligent and I am speaking truth to you people. Enti modia enkofo ni gu party nim na omu Jimmy, omu gu party nim na omu Jimmy, and omu gu party nim na omu Jimmy, and emu penifo Jimmy hwesala cow no. Hwesala nandwie na anyway. Me too no for catch and say wo MPP for typical MPP you who so ye nandwie o. Because any party no who you telling now what show must like you say we nandwie betime yusu e dia ye sala. On sa sala nandwie e be catch am say Jimmy ye nim go ro akotia ni akopra for mama da omumbu na na bi da jantre ni so. General Secretary da jantre ni so. Eye miracle aboaje da jantra for so wo sala nandwie se ko pabuom na da. And that was the advice I was sending to you people. Mumumra mudi MPP chino Salam Mustafa na yentwa ne kwati Jimmy no kwati boto no. Those people cannot bring you power. They cannot give you power. These are not castrated dogs. They are just following their emotions. And Kevin Taylor, you see what is going wrong in the party. Adena Abronye na police chain no. What did he do? Abronye need lawyers. Abronye lawyers, have they released a statement? Abronye is facing the court, is not facing the police. The police decide how to transport a suspect to court. It does not matter whether it's a misdemeanor case, whether it's a criminal, it does not matter. The police have every right to protect you. It is an Abronye didn't pick up a chi and a police ni ba ko te ne nkyɛn a anka ntwamo anka maka sɛ hɛ na Abronye ba and a police ni bi anka no ho yɛ na hye cage mu so a mo no sɛ pompo be gyina ka sɛ mo nte aseɛ nwan. The police are doing their job. The police is your friend. NPP, the police is our friend. Let us respect the police. Let us do what is right. And I'm not fighting him. And I'm Jimmy. And you're nyanka di mochi. Yet Yamu was a Kevin Tele diatem. Na mo Jimmy and Menya Dane. Member Bompire Mamo. Mo Jimmy na fina member to Sabi. Mon frère Abronye DC lawyer brase on release statement na on kyerɛ mo so mo call court na ɛde na judge ni gina so ka sɛ wa remand Abronye saa na yɛtena wiase mo yɛ sɛ nwan le chipe mo yɛ sɛ nwan o le chipe 5 millions I say 9,000 and mo di akyire on the track at 5-6 nev these on do track at all the said the ventra track just mo yɛ sɛ nwan pim and the party has no focus. Jimmy Way needs to be kicked out of the party. The same as Owusu Bempamo, your leadership, the party's leadership, wine. Because here wait to radio so Jimmy, or to Facebook Jimmy, or the IGP atom, or the fact if you say the IGP is corrupt, prove it. I have said so many people are corrupt, and I have proved it. Why is this fool not proving it? You can't just sit there and say, Ghana, no, where is your evidence? So, because IGP a corrupter, prove to the world IGP is corrupt. This is the new Ghana. The resetting agenda is on. Everything has to be done right. Nansena President Tikasa, or say, people are abusing social media. And internet we need to check the system. Intimia committee, when I know the law, I will know said the Mekebiano, Minya I will send me the dance here, but editing a Kwasiebia ni Ghana to me sue me. Because nobody can come before the court and say Kevin said this without a fact. On hinia osi medina temono onko court. On hinia owo Ghana osi me ko medina tem. I also oyo on hinia dinisia konwa so no. Kevin tele di matem me on hine we gu me ho fin. On fa me wura court. Nobody, because everything I say no me won nyina so na aponchi we nyina so no. Mugu part mai say nwan. Mai say toilet mu mmoa. Munimu nyansa. Munimu nyansa. Car na dia Abronye buy no. Every person be a police air transporting the dinner about court. Nanka said that is the car they use, the Black Maria. Protection 100%. In fact, so steady car na dia Abronye buy no cry. The police were rather protecting Abronye. Imagine say Omo MPP mo mpa Abronye asem abegina so mpeso buhwe acid gu no ho anko bi hwengu Abronye so. You people are just mad. You are stupid dogs. You speak anyhow. You just want everything to be about you. If it is not about you, Kevin Taylor and a Kevin Taylor yes and a Kevin Taylor is so okamo. Into mo kasa your party ni Kevin Taylor. What's your for? Me nya this ni o me dan ho girem MPP because majimi di usedi. Enti maka and debia meka so obi o Ghana na ofili se maka se metia no medina tem na ohunu se metia mra sa nipa no or all the rights to take me to court. I have never shied away from that. I have never shied away. And American no so obi start come asem na bom din e de ka asem e de me I can also see you because you need to prove anything I'm phone to me bom din no. Inti say ubo edin me enyo be the twamika o I am my own CEO. Inti an advice am dey my NPP for no say Kevin Taylor is part of you. Nipa send it to Matina TV so I can say I am part of a political party. Kevin is one of us. Kevin has paid his dues. Kevin has his card. He's still an NPP member. Inti say mo ka Kevin Taylor sama mo se mo amunua. Mo asem na mo ka no. Me ka mo ho me ye me doba. Me a party ni ba me tia dues me Akufo-Addo edi pen. Inti mamon kan to say Kevin Taylor ye outsider. Kevin Taylor on kind Kevin Taylor come home me MPP ni. The only difference between me and the money say me nyansa and I met tia ye ni ankase hu nipa. Ni enti kroma. Which year was that, Mr. P? ɛna mokɔ tro letter sɛ mo de kɔma ɛdeɛn boabia someone na edi mo party nanim sɛ mo tro letter kɔma me yire company New York Times so mo yi me yire di adentra my company na me bie ye no me yire is a shareholder enti sɛ me criticize NPP a whole political party boabia someone na edi mo nim etna see a press conference say ye tro letter kɔma New York Times that time no mo just say me ye froye erade bo mo jimi o ɛna mo so mo tro letter kɔma New York Times say ye yi me yire di a young man I'm a party member. Manya ni nyina wo Ghana ho. Sa anyoma ni nyina mo anye. Manya sa anyoma ni nyina. Sa mo ye. Did I leave the party? No. Me be gina baby ka say me mpe party ni biom. Me ka be gina baby ka say me nya MPP ni biom. Still me ka de hye me to. Me do baby ane me yi. Enti mo kasa ye. Mo ka dia ma ye in the past o. It is a metiamo a it is not going to end today or tomorrow. The day now me taking decision say I will nullify the party. Now will be any hole. When I took that decision, now will be any hole. I took that decision myself. Say until some party will make guno. I will never stop. A miame ho party me guno. And think this is the time you people have to start thinking. Enti yari kokuo na koshem. Mumbusan lawyer say adentini esade na koshem adentini abefre no kwasiafo kotode ne bodwe muti midino double English name Kevin Taylor na mjun sem fantini we de froye na munim sem ya awiesu na mjun say fo first me ba na mhye white shirt ma bobo ne nsa fine na be ka bro for good evening, my name is Kevin Taylor. Tonight's show is going on to with your froye. Mr. Mr. P, don't even worry yourself. Go into your archives. Mutual letter, a whole political party. Akufo-Addo DNM. Mutnasi, the whole party, including the president. Actual letter, someone to New York Times. Yen pama me meyere. Kwa siafo, na mabetena hande. Say, me beso so MPP so. Mame, muni munyansa. Monfra Abronye man lawyer mecheche munchiremo. Na atadwe ya chena shemu a kwase ebi to kasa ena Ghana yehu ena Ghana de ena ontumi nkasa wo a wona mo a wo hwame anadwe wo Ghana adentina police nchie wo a wote ntebuom wote asenkerewa wo a wote boase wo a wo Ghana adena wo de police emebo wo purumum emmo a adentina abusa ho adentina ya chia kwa we ayana sa akwachi za mumbusa mo ho MPP fo we jimi omuni munyansa. And when you try to let them know so much Jimina, na omu ina monkey no adre na show mumu na adre na niegu makumem na ma start kasa omu kankan Jimmy into that inner monkey. When it shits inside them, they speak and their mouth smells. NPP, a typical MPP no mwe Jimmy yatia my former second vice chair. I a friend Sami Crab or say current process to unite members won't work. Or say process na ende mujine mu pesa mudi mu unite mu party enye dwuma yanko to ne yanko yi Bawumia first na Bawumia mewiem be na executives na pa emfa we na enhiomo kwasiafo right now ubu some question per Kevin Taylor, am I the president? See, you started muslim your blogger. You started must say, oh, where the onye baby on kwasianko. You started must where the obi entie no aden na ende de me din na damano. Me say I will rule the NPP for 42 years. My body achechira to so. Era took sikagwa ko finchen. Obi antumi sisano. Busum ye ni obetuma dane no. Me say I will rule the NPP for 42 years. My body achechira to so de Holland snapper to so. Eda sikagwa ko finchen. Busum ye antumi dane no. And I have said it. Mo Jimmy. Muni munyansa. Sit and look within. Kevin Taylor. Now just okay, Kevin Taylor no uni power. Ojin say onko fo ni Jimmy na ye chi omo a na ye de omo kogina asama no na omo yi omo no a ojin say no na be ma power. I will do what I'm doing. You see, the problem with you people in the Sami crowd ka kire mo almost said the party will implode. Almost say party no bibia ni omo tima ya solve party the problem egu. Ente den e da ho tewa ka say ye di party chi move for moves. Mameka be binche majority of the people social media, journalists, MPP for journalists for bina, and every single second. One, they don't have the numbers. So what is obi kasa tiame, kasa chime, ontumi bomidia uni number. They want to use my name to make their numbers. Megu about 90% of the MPP platforms, meguno, and they all know. Meguno. And you see, myself and my team, we do a lot of research and analysis. And you see, the good thing is, I have a lot of psychologists in my team. Yeah. Sa MPP journalists have only been now Ghana and right now, when they come on Facebook to do a show and our radio, they are trying to find a controversial statement. And even though they don't mention my name, they think that will make me respond to them. I only respond to people who mention my name. So I'm bombing to us here. Na me hu so ni nyansa ubetuma bom die to ase we jimi am respondable but say ubom di to ase na me hu say well some respondable because when a mad person mentions your name you don't need to respond, but when I get to know say you are trying to make a little bit of a statement, I'll respond to you. And yes, saying so a statement, I'll respond to you. The reason why they are struggling is simple. Now Mojin say after 2024 elections I was going to go quiet. They thought to say I was going to change the style. Send Beya, they will be doing what I was doing for people to say they are doing what they are attacking. Now, the problem they are having now, and they say, they were expecting me to slow down. They were expecting me to change my style. They were expecting to say, oh, the see how they say on the NDC for about power we into see how they obegum. To see the hard hitting Kevin, we are not going to see him that way. But they are seeing that nothing is changing. That is their problem. They are finding ways to stop me. They don't know how to do it. Because me, I don't know what is called, I am tired. I don't know what is called mabemebu. I don't know what is called, mabemebu. I don't tell mabemebu. Me mabemebu. Somebody idea see me say me mabemebu. So right now, that is what they are struggling with. Now, come we expect to say, Anka power say na I will slow down Kevin on time back. Kevin Bawku and the language in the best. No. Nothing is going to change. It mumpe other means to do what? To be relevant. Now, as far as I am in the mix, to say Lord Kenya, you have no space. Into a moment na Facebook to me interviews we are seeing na to me kasa ebu beni na still their numbers are low. Because there's nothing attractive about what they are saying. There's nothing sensible about what they are saying. They are not pushing the people to their limits. They are not opening the minds of the people. They are just stuck. Their emotional journalism, emotional blogging. They are more attached to the party than speaking the real fact for the people to hear. And then you have a problem. Inti, I know you are thing. Mimi Fantini. Sam Fantini Jimia. I will not hesitate. I'll tell them Fantini in the face. You are being very foolish. But they are so attached to their tribe. So, tribe ni ejimia, to be bioma nupo kanjen say we die enye na ujimi. They can't do it. Yensi antuma gufin wa bontene abuofunu. Mema ame akua monica antuma gufin ena memfa mbra onesi. Mwejimi. So they cannot separate their attachment to their tribe, their clan, and whatever they are following from their job. Into a base, they have to be realistic with their own people. They can't. Inte do anomo to sebi. Na mu bubube. Papa ne Jimmy akacha nse we Jimmy because ejumedi obedi Ghana ya man to me no all ejumedi na odi ani nyina at the end of the day we were paying him or her. You get what I mean? We were paying him or her. It is what you to so be abanye juma. Then you have to be ready for the consequences and the criticism. It could be harsh. You cannot determine how criticism should come. That is what you people need to understand. The moment abejatum say media abanye sika ya abanye juma, media abanye juma ya politics no, the criticism coming, you don't control it. It is up to me to make sure the criticism does not land me in court. And I have to be factual about my criticism. It could be soft, it could be hard, but I need to have basis and facts to protect that criticism. And he said, if you don't know that, now I will say, Kevin Taylor ye way, intimism koebia we akwasiaba. Ubehuna with the jail. Now Kevin Taylor is still enjoying with his family because Kevin Taylor has principles. It is not about how you feel and about changing how I criticize. I don't criticize softly. I criticize harshly. And because I know there are laws, I criticize with facts backing it. But what about you? Inti, so some more bread and they cannot get the people's attention. It is because they have allowed their tribe, their clan to lead them in their job they are doing. I will not hesitate. Why should I hesitate? Sa awuneni jimia na ma betena say me ma me awuneni nti ya ma awuneni bi adwuma se onye o jimi na metia se we de o ya awuneni nti mintumi nka. It makes me stupid and foolish. The same as me papa ya mfantini ya ma mfantini adwuma se onye na mfantini ni jimi na president amana adwuma se ondi na mfantini ni boka o jimi o kasa ba heart na metia scandal aba o ya mfantini nti na me nkwa na me mfantini. I am going to let you know we are Fantini, but with Jimmy, do what is right. And that is my principle. And it's not ko need to me shame, Enzimani shame, Auneni shame, Asante Fordo do shame, because they know. So I brand here way there on Fancho. And I brand here way will tell you what the truth is. And that is what distinguishes me. And I say the distinction between myself and these people. That is why they still don't get it. How is this boy? They say, oh, I can't video. Did you tell them? No. The people listening to me, they are 1,000% intelligent than you people criticizing me. Because someone say, a brand is the fact. Now, and most of them, Sanko Fowe, 99% of them, they watch me every night. Yeah. Inti, Abronye, Osha Black Maria, we are protecting him. The police is your friend. The police, the police is your friend. I believe in the police, and I like the way they protected Abronye. Friday, Oba, that's what say, Judge Nitia Semno. Now Abronye lawyer to me making a good case, and the judge will give him bail. Why not? And your mind if you deserve bail, why don't we have to give you bail? Intimunyi na mombompa ya Abronye lawyer. Wakofa krasini lawyer jina hon to me defend Abronye. And we are going to court and to convince the judge say the client has to go home. Na kwa siyama bejino you demonstration. Mwa MPP musamu leadership no insemu fona mu insemu dan. Mwa Jimmy. Mekai say moko akwetia bae. The police is your friend. Na nchie started say okasakasa. Salakao no mu. Salakao. Ana JFK or ya Santiriba or call radio station be. So ko tie radio sa interview na. Me minimum people before so me tua news room. Inti me a member. And journalist who say radio presenter who say ko minini na oton buta and say na yate se nantwie ne say moko akwetia no na mo ne ajantrafo na mate egu omo so na ono de oda buom. So share JFK ni ma ne body language ni facial expression we dey with Jimmy. So wo share na the first time I want to cast ourselves was thrown. Now our person can't say me say where do you Jimmy? He is not like us. Mustafa, a national youth organizer of the NPP. National youth organizer of the NPP. Thank you very much, team. Salam Mustafa, any interforum DDMPP anymore. Say nana bi mo Justin Koduamo. Sa asante for boys ni shia. Omo santa for so mo Jimmy o. They don't respect them. They don't give them any respect. And every time there are confusion, they see a court gate and no. Who said an abi jina ho? Hey, who said JFK jina ho? Party secretary. But they be no semu dying for no and use omo. Why is it like that? Because omo said that is the dirty work they can use some of them in the MPP to do. And then they be na make caution omo no. Salan and Chieno. Ekoba no. Inti. Let's not sit here and make it look like say the EOCO no I am run EOCO. So before mo intend Ghana no bidi gwazama me anje no. Miti kroma na nyina te Ghana na yete say judge bi ese or the case bi to Kevin Taylor so amanfo gina radio so ye jubilation. Adentra near believe in the police and the law. Anameboa. Near nti kroma ha. Did you ever hear me on TV or radio saying say member court no? Obiti bibi sa Afrima no da. Did anybody in Ghana here say, yes, say, yeah, the case I took Kevin Taylor, so Judge Cheba for say, that Ben will be who know Facebook and YouTube and TV, so can say, me, Member court no. On for the question. Obitibi. No, I gave the court that respect. Out of respect, I did not even address the matter because I didn't even know it was me. I didn't even have an idea because the name they were mentioning, it wasn't even my name. It was later. And my counsel catch them and say, this thing is going around. Can you address it? And my counsel should address it. I didn't even know it was me. There's a distinction. Abronye Jina radio so we're regional chairman. How do you defend this in court?
Kroma yebeka. Omse Bawumia repranko. Tie. Yeti kroma ane yebaye hunfi yo. Yebaye hunfi. Yeti kroma and a former president be onyem ni spokesperson yire. Ewo kroma.
Former president.
Yes, yeti kroma.
In this republic.
Onyem ni spokesperson yire.
Ni spokesperson yire.
Yes, onyem no. Ewo kroma.
Ewo Ghana.
And Mahama na yesa.
Oh, are you serious about this?
Master, I'm telling you, send the spokesperson here.
The spokesperson Ben. The spokesperson Ben. The spokesperson Ben.
Master, Kwabishem and maybe from 20.
Because when you say John Jinapa and the spokesperson, Ben Duche Mala and the spokesperson, and Mahama Yarga and the spokesperson,
and your Mahama Yarga.
Madam,
and I mentioned Mayi, Mahama Yarga, do film.
Aka John Jinapo.
Madam, I come say, John Mahama, the spokesperson here. On you know
what dance did.
Oh, Master, what dances and maybe see your men for Kuran Metro.
No, okay, what dance.
I may catch you. What frame and I'm so much here by that here. Find some when I am some.
You sit there and you tell me, and they are froze, Kwasia, we make in a court in Yadi and Obit Yano. Na yenya obia wafe akwara se oye NPP youth organizer, national youth organizer. Ne maame akone afe no say ai odi na national youth or kasa kwasia. E kire we jimi. Anytime say musremufo ni bi na mudi NPP hunu mu bi mu ajimi. Muni mu nyansa. Yani akamfo na ye NPP we be use mu se moa. Kwatebotofo na mo MPP fo ni bi seremufo ni bi na mudi MPP enim no Mustafa youth organizers there no salam mo ajimi mo ne kala sa mo kala be salaka mo ajimi. How do you defend this? This is a regional chairman. What has it when people speak and without facts and make allegations? When people speak without facts, make allegations without facts, what is supposed to happen? What is supposed to happen in a country? And it's not maka. Mrs. So he be or Ghana. Say police ni bi soja ni bi Ghana ni bi say maka say tiano. Emrano hon famindi mrane. Why haven't we seen anybody walk to court? Let me show you this. Ya chekwa sia we nti ye nyina ye nkoda. Akwa no hu fie ne num kankan we ya chi nti. We should all and Kevin Taylor address the core issues. MPP na Jimmy. This happened in this country. Me ba chama DB. Me adebia me be yemo MPP no. Man who claimed IGP was recruiting fake police to kill citizens during elections, jailed 4 years. Abronye 2024 obiena no can say dan pare recruiting kofo bi masan kofo no den botuo. Send a MPP win elections. You're jailing 4 years. MPP ni ben sorry kasati adewe because no you NDC ni. And I'm not equalizing anything here. I don't even know which political party he belongs to. Or NDC, I don't care. But the law worked. You're jailing 4 good years. Or make allegations. Did he have evidence to it? Was he able to prove to it, defend it in court? No. He's in court. Did you see any MPP person, Salam Mustafa Kwatebotono, did you see him on TV arguing that everybody has the right to speak their mind? Did you see any of the NPP leadership sit on radio or TV to say Kevin Taylor did Abronye adene yachinatum? Did you hear anybody? I don't know Jimmy sa. I don't know mo I don't know nimu nyansa. Amudi party nim and yenya entwamwa enkwasiafo bi ma esosomoso. Who should walk out and vote for a political party like this? Who in their right senses? I don't know where the money demonstration and can say there's freedom of speech and then the country is going down and then we are going to demonstrate. I didn't want demonstrating against this because the person said something against the IGP. He could not defend it and the person was jailed 4 years. So why didn't you people get on the street? But when this happened, you NPP, you were in power. Your president was in power. Akufo-Addo, who says he's a what? Akufo-Addo, who says he's a what? He is a human rights lawyer with that certificate. He was in power. Godfrey Dame was the attorney general. He prosecuted this guy. None of you guys, none of the so-called, we are intelligent, the country, why is this happening? Why have they arrested this person? Nobody was on TV saying I'm going on demonstration because a young man has been jailed 4 years. Abronye Abrantewe. Abronye Ponchiwe Abrantewe. What then wa Abronye wa echa Abrantewe. Na ochina yede na kwagina court say onyi sa asem na no a Abronye obetwe ya no. Oyi ano a not the evidence ba onna onko ofie. So why are you people making it look like say and there obidin kwasi asem wo Ghana yentumi nchi no. Now you see lawmakers. Now look at this. Look at this. Hwe kwasi we you hu no two we. John Intim Fojo. Look at this. Kwasia we di nipa ni mu asen south. Kwasia we say onyame nipa. Hear what he wrote on Twitter. Kwasia we Intim Fojo. A stupid fool. Na me di atem obi say we di penyini atem. Kwasia we menyini chen no Intim Fojo na funu na soso chen me. Kwasia we a onyenyem nkofo yire a o se oye sofo. Hwe kwasia di okochiro Twitter. Kevin Taylor insulted and threatened notable people, including judges, chiefs, clergy, president, among others, and was given state security escort to court in a Land Cruiser Prado under Mahama. If I take this guy to court tomorrow, can he prove all these things? Can he prove it? Can he prove that some security person, the president, can he prove that the president gave me security? Can he prove that when I came to Ghana, I was given a, can he prove it? Kwasiawe or a lawmaker. Kwasiawe. Kwasiaba we, Jimmy Fowe. And your politics na ayafua. You see, Jimmy ni we reverend. Ejina ni penim. Kanya mesemu. Kwasiawe ejina ni penim. Inti, when I enter the court right now and I make a case and I say Kwasiawe embe defending what is his basis? And he no bejina. Can he prove that the president actually gave me security? He goes on to say, Azoka is walking free after assaulting Chairman Masaudu and threatening Honorable Afenyomakin, our minority leader. What is happening to that thing? The police have opened investigations into it. He goes out. Chairman Abronye, on the other hand, was arrested in a dramatic manner, remanded and put in Black Maria to court like a hardened criminal. What is this? Kwasiawe, look at this fool. Politics na ya fool. Mumusa Intim Fojo Kwasiawe say, Oba Parliament, and then other question South. And you as a member of Parliament, you should speak with facts. You as a member of Parliament, you need to speak with facts. Kwasiawe started say cocaine. Mumusa say the cocaine case ne kosi saying. Cocaine na also wa kohuna wen. When nyame be kunu wa sorry dem ogina ni penim. Nyame be man heart attack obewu. Kwasiawe nka no kore. Nipa fin and I can't kwasiasam because in the name say I'm a politician. Why should I respect such a pig? Kwasiawe started na me hu cocaine wa ha and me hu cocaine wa ha. I didn't wage cocaine asabaka because obi ka chen say ojimi obeko court. Because of politics into why na no dwom. Mumusan say I didn't own raise cocaine issue ni back. So today, say me back Ghana, I bring my lawyer. I get 2 lawyers in Ghana and I tell them to look at this statement and take it to court. Obeka say this guy not police court. You're picking now. Obeka say I'm going against the law. Because what he needs to prove, say president, the president of the republic actually gave me police escort and a national security. He needs to prove beyond reasonable doubt. Into some case, he pay 50 million Ghana, and that he has defamed me and he wants to connect me to where I'm not supposed to be connected. Can he answer? I don't know where Jimmy Namugu party ni Musa. We can see who. We can also enter court. Yes, I can enter court the same way Kwasiawe moti MP it mugu party musa mwa. Muni munyansa. If I get my lawyers ready to sue you, can you prove that Mahama gave me security? Can you? Can you? Na Kwasiawe ni namgana ne ho fun sei. Ne ho tan Mrs. Sa seat in magic. I will take that seat. And I will take it with development. Me me just a seat in the finism. Obetuma a sro. I will take that seat. I'll cut him into pieces in politics. Memana I said nam egu plate so. Literally, make you try to ketiketi obey less when you pay him. Make sit no. Kwasiamfo we ni nam Ghana near friend Reverend. Ni hu fi we gina ni penim e din kwasia nkofo yerenom ewo south asen south na kwasia we e back and forth na me ne wo ye the taxpayers money tua kwasia we ka mumusa ne say the cocaine case no start here no how did it end otumi prove here mo end this ne ka sam chira monte mameka bibi nchira mo. The earlier you people change your style and let Ghanaians know the truth about your party, the better for you people. Oh. Because your president is me, NPP. The party belongs to me. I decide how the party is run. I decide the future of the party. I decide who should lead the party. I decide. So the earlier you people sit down to analyze yourselves and analyze the party and make decisions for this party, you are not going anywhere. Hey, the NDC can decide to do 70% of the things they've promised Ghanaians. You can still, 50%, you people can never come to power. Ghana for nyankwasiafu. Ghana for omo nyankwasiafu. Na mobedi yeso Jimmy amu Jimmy no. When you say Ghana for yes, and tam to me make Akufo-Addo ne gabi biem. Yantam to me Emma Mubium. Yantam to me Emma Mokene. Yansan Famamo. You people